If your curiosity needs a boost, you're in the right place. Welcome to New Truth Reveal. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. And for our amazing returning viewers, big thanks for your continued support. We've got a lot of exciting content coming your way. Have a great day and stay curious.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're uncovering the untold truth about money, what it really is, how it works, and some mind-blowing facts you probably didn't know. We're talking about the stuff that makes the world go round, the driving force behind economies, empires, and everything in between. Buckle up because we're diving deep into the fascinating history, the shocking realities, and the potential future of money. Ever wonder how we went from trading cows to clicking buttons, from seashells to digital wallets? We'll explore the evolution of currency, from its humble beginnings to the complex systems we have today. Plus, I'm going to reveal some surprising truths about money that they don't teach you in school. Trust me, you'll be looking at your wallet a little differently after this. So grab a seat, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. First things first, what is money? We use it every day, but what exactly is it? At its core, money is essentially a medium of exchange. It's something we all agree has value, whether it's paper, metal, or even digital. It's the thing we trade our time and skills for, the thing that gives us the ability to get the goods and services we need and want. But it wasn't always this way. Thousands of years ago, people bartered goods and services directly. Got extra wheat from your harvest? Trade it for some of your neighbor's cattle. Made a beautiful clay pot? Maybe you can trade it for some warm blankets for the winter. Seems simple enough, right? Well, this system had some serious flaws. What if the person with the cattle didn't want your wheat? What if they needed tools or cloth or something else entirely? You'd be stuck going door to door trying to find someone willing to make a deal. This is where the concept of money comes in as a convenient way to trade. Imagine a world where everyone agrees that a certain item, like a rare shell or a piece of metal, has a specific Money, as we've established, has been through quite the transformation over the centuries. From the barter system's early struggles to the sleek digital transactions of today, it's been quite a journey. In ancient times, things were, shall we say, a bit more rudimentary. We're talking cowrie shells, beads, metal tools, anything that people agreed had value and could be easily exchanged. Then came the advent of coinage. Around the 7th century BC, those clever Lydians decided that stamping pieces of precious metals with official seals was the way to go. These early coins, often made of gold and silver, were revolutionary. They were durable, divisible, and their value was immediately recognizable. Fast forward a few centuries and paper money entered the scene. This paper was backed by something tangible, usually gold or silver reserves held by governments. It was like having a fancy IOU note that you could use to buy stuff. This system, known as the gold standard, became the bedrock of global finance for many years. It provided stability and fostered international trade, but it also had its limitations. The amount of money in circulation was directly tied to the amount of gold a country held, which could be, well, inflexible. Fast forward to today, and we're living in a digital world. Physical cash is taking a back seat to electronic transactions. Credit cards, debit cards, online banking, and mobile payments have become the norm. We're even seeing the emergence of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, challenging the very notion of traditional centralized banking. From bartering to Bitcoin, the evolution of money is a testament to human ingenuity and our constant desire for progress. Chapter 3, The Power of Money. So, we've talked about what money is and how it's evolved. Now let's get real for a second. Why is this stuff so important? Why does it hold so much power over us? Well, it all boils down to one word: trust. Money, at its core, is a symbol of trust. When you hand someone a bill or send them a digital payment, you're trusting that it will be accepted by others in exchange for something you need or want. It's a collective belief system, a shared understanding that these pieces of paper, these digital tokens, have value because we all agree that they do. Without that trust, money is just, well, paper and pixels. Money impacts nearly every aspect of our lives, from the mundane to the monumental. It dictates what we can buy, where we can live, and the opportunities available to us. It influences our education, our healthcare, and even our social status. It's the driving force behind businesses, governments, and entire economies. Governments use money to fund public services, build infrastructure, and provide social safety nets. Businesses use it to invest in research and development, create jobs, and bring products and services to market. And on an individual level, money gives us the ability to take care of our basic needs: food, shelter, clothing, and pursue our passions. Chapter 4. Surprising Facts About Money. Alright folks, get ready to have your minds blown. We're about to dive into some surprising facts about money that you probably didn't know. Trust me, you'll be the life of your next party with these conversation starters. Fact number 1. Did you know that a whopping 90% of the world's money is digital? That's right, only about 10% of the money in existence actually exists as physical cash. The rest is just ones and zeros zipping around the globe at lightning speed. Think about all those online purchases, those Venmo transfers, those direct deposits. It all adds up to a whole lot of digital dough. Fact number 2. The word salary has a surprisingly salty origin story. It comes from the Latin word salarium, which means, you guessed it, salt money. Back in ancient Rome, salt was a highly valued commodity, so much so that Roman soldiers were sometimes paid with it. So next time you get that paycheck, remember, you're essentially earning your salt. Fact number 3. Ever heard of a $100,000 bill? You'd be hard-pressed to find one in circulation because they were only used for transactions between Federal Reserve banks. It's like the super exclusive club of money that most of us will never get to join. Can you imagine the look on a cashier's face if you tried to pay for your groceries with one of those? Chapter 5. The Future of Money. We've journeyed through the history of money, from bartering to Bitcoin, but what does the future hold for this ever-evolving force? Buckle up, folks, because things are about to get really interesting. We're already seeing significant shifts towards a more digital, decentralized financial system. Cryptocurrencies, with their promise of secure and transparent transactions, are challenging the status quo. Imagine a world where you don't need banks, where you have complete control over your finances. That's the potential of blockchain technology, the underlying technology behind cryptocurrencies. It's like a digital ledger that's spread across a network of computers, making it incredibly secure and resistant to fraud. No more waiting for bank transfers to clear, no more exorbitant international transaction fees. We're talking near instantaneous, borderless payments, all at a fraction of the cost. But it's not just about crypto. We're also seeing the rise of mobile payments, digital wallets, and other financial technologies that are changing how we interact with money. Remember those clunky credit card readers from the past? They're being replaced by sleek smartphone apps that allow you to make purchases with a simple tap. Cash is becoming increasingly irrelevant as we embrace the convenience and efficiency of digital transactions. This shift towards a cashless society has profound implications. It promotes financial inclusion, reduces the risk of theft and fraud, and provides valuable data that can be used to improve economic policy. The future of money is a digital frontier, full of possibilities and potential pitfalls. The future is now, and there you have it, the untold truth about money. From its ancient origins to its digital future, money is much more than just pieces of paper or numbers on a screen. It's a powerful tool that shapes our world in profound ways, influencing everything from our daily lives to the global economy. We've seen how it's evolved from simple bartering to complex digital systems, and we've explored the incredible power it holds, for better or for worse. We've also uncovered some surprising facts that you probably didn't know, proving that money is a much more fascinating subject than you might have thought. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what you found most surprising about money. Thanks for watching and see you next time.